Hello all, today I'm looking at a new feature in Go that is how to use IVR and call action in workflows. By using this feature, workflow owners eliminate terminate IVR calls directly and rather than waiting for users to disconnect or end the IVR call when the workflow concludes. This also provides a flexibility and control to the workflow owners to end the call and not leave the customer with an infinite elevator music. For accessing this feature, first you need to get into sub-user level account of Go-HighLevel and click on automation. You need to get into create workflow and you need to click on start from scratch. After that, you will get a workflow like this. After that, I need to click on the add new trigger. Okay, I need to click on IVR. I need to click on IVR. Yeah, start IVR trigger. As it is already available here, I'm not clicking it. Uh, I will get the option on as here choose a workflow. After clicking on IVR trigger, like I will get an option like this, and I need to choose the phone number. Like I have chosen the phone number here. If I deleted it, it will show like this. I can enable it, and after that I can close it off. And after that, I need to add the end trigger also. In that case, I need to click on plus symbol, and here I need to click on end. I need to click on end call. I need to end the call, right? That's the reason I need to click on end IVR call. Yeah, and I can click on add voice instructions. If I want to enable, if after enabling this, I will get a message like this, whether I need to say a message or I need to play a message. If I click on play a message, I need to upload a file for playing a message. And if I use a same message, it will come an option like this. It will say that this is an automated message, and I can also select the language here, English or any different languages. If I want, I can select it. I can type it and I can search it. Okay, after that, I can select the message voice as woman or man, whichever the voice I need, I can select that. And how many number of loops I want to enable this message completely. After that, I can click on save action and I can publish and I can click on save. If I click on save action here, I need to click on save. After that, I will get a published message like this. The workflow is saved. This is a one unique feature of this IVR part. Thank you.